Hi there, welcome. I'm Edua from Infinitad, and in this video I'll show you how to create an automation in Infinitad with the goal of increasing awareness. Let's dive in. First, log into your Infinitad account. You'll land directly on the automations page. If you get a little lost, you can always find the section in the left-hand menu under Automations. Now click the Add Creation button to begin. On the first page, we'll fill in the basic info. Start by naming your automation. I will name mine Awareness Test for this example. Next, set the goal. Since this video is about awareness campaigns, I'm selecting Awareness. You can also set up members to be notified about activities, activity notifications, which will send you email alerts when a campaign is launched. If you'd like more control over your campaign, enable Activity Management. This allows you to either approve or reject a campaign before it goes live. Under AI Assist, I recommend keeping all three boxes checked. The first one ensures that your ads comply with Meta advertising standards. This way, no ad will go live if it violates any guidelines. The second prevents Infinitad from creating ads based on expired or outdated post content, perfect for making sure summer posts don't get boosted in the fall. The third option creates a stop automation, which automatically stops ads once the AI detects that they are no longer relevant. Especially useful if your post includes dates like August 31st. Next, choose your ad account. If you registered with just one ad account, that's the only one that will show up. This step is more relevant if you're managing multiple accounts. Then select the source. This tells Infinitad which platform and page to pull posts from to use in your campaigns. After that, choose the post types you want to include. At the bottom of the first page, you can apply filters. This limits which posts are eligible based on certain conditions. I'll set a filter so that only posts less than 70 days old are used. In the Filtered Items preview, you can see which posts meet your filter criteria. Once you're done, click Next. On the second page, you'll set your campaign name, something that makes it easy to distinguish from other campaigns. The Advantage campaign budget is enabled by default, and in most cases, we recommend keeping it that way. Just go ahead and enter your budget amount. If your campaign falls under one of the special ad categories, be sure to select it. If not, skip this step and click Next. On the third page, you can set the ad set name. Then define your conversion type, basically your performance goal. Next comes the target audience setup. Here you'll be able to use audiences you've previously created in your Facebook Business Manager. Just click the Add Audience button to select one. You can also set up custom audiences and, of course, exclude specific groups if needed. Demographic targeting is only necessary if you haven't added a custom audience. Optionally, you can set the spoken languages your audience uses. You don't need to enter a separate budget here, since you already did that on the previous page with the Advantage campaign settings. You can also configure attribution settings. Use the default option or enter your own custom values. Now, enter your beneficiary and payer info. If they are the same, just fill out the beneficiary field. If they are different, check the box and enter the payer details separately. At the end of this page, you can set your ad placements. Either choose automatic or manually defined with devices, mobile types, and platforms you want your ads to appear on. When you're done, click Next. On the fourth and final page, choose your ad creation method. Either boost your original posts or let Infinitad generate new ad creatives. If you go with the AI-generated option, the system will optimize your ads by rewriting or improving the primary text, enhancing the CTA title and description, choosing the best CTA button type. For this awareness campaign, the CTA button isn't relevant, you can skip that part. You can also select your ad language. By default, it matches the language of the original post, but you can change it if needed. Next, you can set the number of ad variations. If you enter 2, for example, you can check a box to make sure one version is created without any AI modifications, meaning it will just use the original post as is. You also have access to Meta Advantage Plus creative settings if you want even more customization. Since this is a brand awareness campaign, you don't need to set a CTA button. Because this campaign runs on Facebook or Instagram, you won't need to enable app events or website events tracking either. At the end, you can add URL parameters. This allows you to track your campaign's performance in your analytics platform. And that's it. Now click the next button. The Overview section displays the content currently being used to create ads based on your selected criteria. Items marked with a red notification bar indicate content that cannot be used as ads or has issues preventing them from running. Click on these items for more details. All that's left to do is click the Create button. Your automation is ready, and you can now edit or duplicate it as needed. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.